Hi, my name is Scott. I'm going to show you today how to build your own AlienEye mountain bike headlight. It's a 5-watt 12-volt DC light made with all standard components. Nice thing about it, you can make it with little tools. There's no custom components, no custom machining, no custom housings. Everything you can make on your own. The lamp uses a standard MR16 Edison Opto LED indoor light. I'll show you how you can waterproof it. This light has a color range from 6650 to 7000 Kelvin. It's very white. It's very good on the trail. Makes contrast very nice. Has a 10-degree beam angle and draws about 530 milliamperes. So with a 2300 milliampere battery set, you should get about 4.5 hours of life out of it before you have to recharge the batteries. It uses a standard cat-eye mounting system. Here's the spacer plate that mounts to the bottom of the lamp, and this enables you to be able to quick disconnect with the handlebar system here. It clicks in. It's very stable. It's not going to go anyplace. And this lamp the holder allows you then to rotate the lamp 10 to 15 degrees to each side. And as long as the clamp isn't too tight, you can also rotate it up and down on the handlebar. This is an oversized handlebar clamp, and it comes in you can buy standard clamps as well. And the nice thing about this system is you can turn it into a helmet lamp system. This uses the cat-eye helmet mount here. Works with the quick disconnect on the AlienEye. Just snaps on here, and then you can adjust the angle as you need. And then there's two options here you can use for batteries. There's a really small battery you can buy in China. This is supposedly 1800 milliampere hours. It's really only about 900, so it would drive the AlienEye maybe an hour and a half. So for a quick ride after work, with a non-complicated battery option, you could use this little battery and actually just strap it to your helmet like this here. I use this double-sided Velcro stuff. You can just fix that here. And then this battery from China comes with a little cable. And you can run that here to the light. And you can strap it down the cable here with maybe tie wraps or more double-sided Velcro. But there you have your helmet light. It's nice and light. Have a limited runtime, maybe an hour and a half. But it's a nice little package. The battery with shipping costs about $25. Not too bad. Another option for your battery then for your helmet light is to put the battery pack, so take your standard battery pack here, put it in a camelback someplace. So the extension cord from your camelback up to your light here will work that way too. So you can make your AlienEye shell with a FEMO in a variety of colors. Here I prefer black because it's the easiest not to get smudged and dirty when you make it. But here's a kind of a gray metallic one I made. This material was a little harder to form. It's one of my prototypes. Here there's a turquoise color that you can make. I've made them in blue here with the FEMO in blue. There's a light blue, dark blue. I've made them in red before, and green. There's all sorts of colors you can make these in. So whatever color you want, you can work with. The lighter the color, the harder, however, the material is to keep clean during the forming process. So what do you need for batteries for your AlienEye? Well, I use standard nickel metal hydride batteries, the AA's. These are 2500 milliampere here, and should run your lamp about 4.5 hours. You can put them in a standard 10-piece case like this one here, and then the case will go into a small camera bag or a water bottle. I prefer the camera bag under the handlebar stem. Comes out up here very quickly. If you leave it in the bag and ride in wet weather, I would recommend putting this in a plastic and then maybe putting a desiccant in before you put the plastic on. This goes on easily underneath your stem using the Velcro one-strap system. Just put it underneath your stem, draw this tight, and you're good to go. And then the plug system here is a 5.5 millimeter by 2.1 inside diameter barrel connector. That's a standard connector you can find all over the place. The recharging option for the nickel metal hydrides is easy if you buy one of these standard chargers here. You can adjust the voltage, and by adjusting the voltage you just take this little key here and you can turn it to the number of batteries you have in your pack, so that you don't have to take all the batteries out of your holder. Buy one of these chargers and you can just plug it in here like this, and then when it's done the light will turn green and you're all set. The charger's nice because you can use it for other battery packs as well. I use it to charge my AAA batteries in a 4-pack, so I turn the key to 4 batteries and you get one of these holders for AAA batteries for 4 here, and you can just plug it in and charge 4 at a time. Or if you have you just need 2 AA batteries charged, you can here set this to 2. So it's a very flexible recharging system. You can use it not only for your AlienEye but for other batteries too. The second option to power your AlienEye is a lithium-ion battery that I bought on eBay from China. There's several sellers on my website, www.alieneye.info. There's a link for batteries, and it does a search on eBay and brings up many of these types of batteries that you can buy with different current ratings. This one's rated at 4,800 milliampere hours, but I found they're only about half what they're rated. But still, this battery would run the AlienEye light about 4 hours, and it's a nice light battery, fits in your backpack, and yeah, I've used it several times with no problems. Nice thing about this battery pack, it's about $30, $35, depending on who you buy it from. Comes with a nice little charger here, and just plugs into the female side here, and that's all you need for the charger and the battery pack. So this battery pack costs about $30, $35. It'll probably last you about 3.5 years. A lithium-ion battery will lose about 20% of its capacity every year just to internal degradation, but still it's not a bad deal. If you want something that's very standard, then I'd recommend using the nickel metal hydride standard AA rechargeables. You can buy them any place, and the 10 holder pack is a standard thing. So if you need any components, you can go to my website, www.alieneye.info, and go to my PayPal links, and most of the components you can buy from me if you can't find them in your own area. I also sell a kit that you can make your own light. It has all the components you need. You don't have to search any place for components, and you can order that from me as well, or just buy them where you want. I had a lot of fun making the lamp. Hope you have a lot of fun too, and enjoy this video series. Thank you. Bye.